Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to seamlessly copy your TradingView chart layouts and watch lists over to another account, whether you're upgrading, organizing, or just starting fresh, then this quick and simple tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to transfer all your chart setups and watch lists from one account to another in just a few straightforward steps, saving you tons of time and keeping your trading workflow uninterrupted. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to start in your main TradingView account, the one with all your charts and watchlist setups you want to move. On your TradingView dashboard, head up to the top right corner of the chart window. You'll notice a drop-down menu there, usually marked by 3 dots or a little arrow. Click it to reveal some extra options. Now look for a setting labeled Sharing or something similar. Toggle Sharing on for your chart. This step is crucial because it lets you generate a private link to your chart layout, so only someone with the link can access it, in this case, yourself on your other account. Once sharing is enabled, you'll see an option to copy the chart link. Go ahead and click Copy Link. Now, here's a helpful tip. Before jumping to the next step, take a second to paste that link into a notepad or any text editor. Think of this as jotting down directions before heading out. It keeps things organized and prevents any accidental loss during the transfer. You'll appreciate this, especially if you have multiple charts or watch lists to manage. Now let's do the same thing with your watch list. On TradingView, locate the watchlist sidebar, usually on the right. Find the Share Watchlist button or setting, toggle Sharing ON, and just like you did with your chart, hit Copy Link. Again, paste this link into your notepad alongside your chart link. If you're transferring watchlists with dozens of tickers, this method keeps everything tidy and ensures you don't miss anything important. At this stage, you've got both your chart and watchlist links handy in your notepad. Now log out of your first TradingView account. No need to rush here, just make sure everything's pasted and saved before you sign out, as you won't be able to access those links on TradingView once logged out. Next, sign in to your second account, the destination for your charts and watch lists. Once you're in, open up a new browser tab. This part is super straightforward. Copy the chart link from your notepad and paste it into the address bar. When the chart loads, you'll notice a copy button somewhere on the right side of the window. Click that and TradingView will prompt you to enter a layout name. This can be anything you like, such as imported layout or the original chart's purpose. It's helpful if you're bringing in multiple layouts. Hit save and your chart is now officially copied into your new account. For the watchlist, just repeat the process. Paste the watchlist link into a new tab and TradingView will guide you through copying that list over as well. Don't worry if things take a few moments to load, especially with larger watchlists or complex chart setups. Just give it a bit of time. And that's it. Now both your chart layouts and watch lists are all set up in your second account, ready for you to use or tweak as you need. If you hit any snags or something doesn't look right, double check you've toggled sharing on for each link. That's usually the trickiest part. Hope this walkthrough helped you streamline your TradingView experience. If you found it useful, please hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have questions or need help with other TradingView tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy trading.